What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my teeny tiny channel. This is probably going to be one of the shortest videos I've ever done. This is regarding the headlights not working on a Ferrari 308. I was coming back from a show last night, went to turn on my headlights, nothing. I had no lights on the dash, turning the switch on the stock all the way forward and backwards, trying to lift it up and down, nothing happened. Here's the problem, and here's how you fix it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna need to push this little end piece that's at the bottom of this, push it down and separate it. Then you're gonna slide this off. Now be very careful. There's a tiny little ball bearing that sits on a spring that sits right in there. And the problem you need to fix is right here. See that black wire and that green wire right there? The black wire is still soldered and it's good, but at first glance, this looks okay, but if you look right underneath it there, you can see that green wire has come loose from this. So when I have the key on and I make contact, my lights pop up, and then now they've gone down. There's my issue. You have to resolder that. It's a very common issue on the 308s, but it's a very simple fix. Take a piece of masking tape, kind of fold it over a couple times, slide it between the two little copper tang pieces, because when they're in contact and you go to solder that wire back to it, your lights are gonna automatically start popping up. So slip this between it, keep them separated just for a couple minutes while you solder that wire back on. And then as soon as you pull this off, you can put your plastic switch cover back on, and that has a tab in there that keeps those apart until you turn it, and it allows them to contact each other. I went chasing fuses and relays first. Check this first. If you've got this issue, just double check that that soldered wire has not come loose. This is gonna be simple, an easy fix. Fixed. Shouldn't take you any more than about 5 minutes to fix this and you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.